can't really see him in the sun. Oh. He fell back. Get out of here.
Did you shoot that plywood?
No, I didn't shoot anything.
Aim a little higher.
He's not even...
You're hitting the plywood in front of him.
Don't help him! Missed. You're out. Hit that thing. No. There should be a lever on the side.
Yeah. Oh, it went back in the battery, but yeah, that's what happened. Like that.
Oh, you might have been empty. Are you empty or? We'll put your mag out, see. Yeah, you got a couple in there. He got stuck.
Wow.
Yeah, it's locking up.
It's cold, that's why.
Yeah.
They just shot like 4 BBs.
You know what? Don't rack it again. You're putting 2 BBs in each time. Go ahead.
Oh, okay.
So shoot. If it shoots, rack it again.
Yeah.
Shoot again.
It's shooting 2 again.
Yeah, you got a problem there.
There's no BBs left.
No, yeah, it should be on there.
Oh, that's not right. No.
I'm just here to have fun.